was a family in our car, Poku 1 TV, and where the goes out, oh, Shano. You were Menshia, I him fear.
Or Tikrowi, any browing, woman so, or Tiko Koso, any Abenya Cassia so, or Pimson, and no say to a baby or Tosumi, no Asantehemaa, na Konadu Yiadom or Tosumi, and Sa Ebetina Kunyosa or Hemano, Frinchia and Numnie, hooray! Isa nunti otumfuo eboja kese ewo manhia ade share Asantehemaa animunyam na edoma ebepue mu ewo hono na enya asem ketua kra. Omampeni abedi echire His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene ne honkafo Samira Bawumia, First Lady Oba Penny Rebecca Kufuado, Chief of Staff Mami Frima Opare, former First Lady Oba Penny Konadu Rollins, abamu mpanifo otumfuo ahemfo ene ahema dodo ni nyina enso de wonanimonyam ebeta na Konadu Yiadom otoso miensa echi ema wodi ni dai fefefe. Asante amamre ne namane efampa wohwe emra otumfuo eba dwabono ase ene edoma edi nanim ene n'echire no a ema yehunu se asante akonya no eso na tumi kese ewo mu nso. Anchebia na Konadu Yiadom a otoso miensa Asantehemaa ni nti ene dom kese yi eba ho no enso ebepue mu ewo dwabo no ase.
We are so proud of you, Nana. We are so proud of you. Kaima utinko, Nana Nyankwada. Nana Konadu Yiadom otoso miensa Nyankwada. Nana Nyankwada.
Animonyamfoɔ bi ɛte sɛ Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ɛne ne yere Samira Bawumia, Ɔbaapani Rebecca Akufo-Addo, Maame Firima Opare, Ɔbaapani Konadu Yiadom Rollins, ɛne afoforo pii ɛbɔ wɔ mu ase akyia otumfuo Nana Osei Tutu Ababi ɔtɔ so mmienu ɛne Asantehemaa Nana Konadu Yiadom ɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa. Mpanimfo a wɔto nsafrɛ wɔn sonko kraa so no mu bi ɛde wɔn ano di nsɛm atudwa.
Here on this important occasion to celebrate the 5th anniversary when Nana Konadu Yiadom III was installed as the Asantehemaa, succeeding her mother Nana Ifeakobi Sewa Ampem II, who passed away. She did not leave us alone. Her own daughter, Nana Konadu Yiadom III, was our gift. We are fortunate to be part of this remembrance of Nana Ifeakobi Sewa Ampem II and for the celebration of Nana Konadu Yiadom III. I also bring you a congratulatory message from the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, who would have been here himself, but for other national assignments, he is out of the country. We are here not only to tell and to show how much we cherish you as a person, but also for the fulfillment of your traditional role as the Queen Mother in your support role as Ohima of the Manhyia Palace. You are also known to provide counsel for the chief and elders, and these are powerful traditional roles. Always quiet in the background, many would agree with me that we owe so much of the stability of the chieftaincy system, especially in the Ashanti Kingdom, because of the wise choices made in the selection of chiefs led by our Queen Mothers. According to the recent population census, women represent 51% of the population. Children under 15 years, almost 37% of the population. And we see that women and children, therefore, constitute some 68% of the population. The issues that concern this majority of the population should be a matter of concern to all of us. Why is it that women constitute 51% of the population but are the most land poor? They are the most excluded in the financial sector. And poverty of women begins from lack of education. They carry the burdens of early marriages and teenage pregnancies. The establishment of the Department of Social Welfare and Housing and later Department of Social Welfare were just not given an important segment of society the attention it needed. The establishment of the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection was an important step in recognizing the social issues of women and the youth, and they cannot therefore be left alone. Population growth and urbanization were making these issues more and more challenging. Where possible, it would be up to the new ministry and its agencies to find out how they can work with our traditional systems to help tackle these social protection challenges that affect most women and children. Our Queen Mothers, as custodians of our cultural traditions, also have other modernizing roles to play, especially in the areas of tourism, girl-child education, marriage literacy, and poverty among the girl child. In the pursuit of the Sustainable Development Goals, I can see our Queen Mothers as agents in promoting the goals of ending poverty in all its forms amongst women and children, tackling hunger among school children, maintaining good health and promoting well-being, promoting gender equality and quality education, particularly among girls.
Nana, yadawase. Se wachre yen kwan papa se yenye odo emma enipa dasa. Enti se nana mo maame akwanya se memra mekasa wa ha. Die mesa ka biowa ne se ye mahohoahoa ama nana Konadu Yiadom a wotoso miensa. Asantehemaa ama wo ammo wutiri nkwa na adwaboy a nana otumfuo wabo ama nanan de mehu ne se waye sa sentreni ama oba biara owo Ghana ha oba bia wowo Asantehemaa wahye yanimonyam wama yehunu se yesombo ewo emanyimu yesombo wa Asantehemaa mu enti edwabo yabo ama nana de nanso misusu se yabo ama emanyina.
Today is indeed a wonderful day of celebration, a day when pomp, pageantry, and our rich culture is on display. But today is also a celebration of a remarkable woman of Asante, Nana Konadu Yiadom III, an astute, wise, dignified woman who is an embodiment of motherhood. Since her installment, Nana has been a unifier and a driving force for the progress of the Asante Kingdom and a strong advocate and champion for women and children. When I heard that Nana Konadu Yiadom III had paid the medical bills for patients at the mother and baby unit and donated items to mothers whose children had been admitted at Komfo-Anokye and Manchia District Hospital, I said to myself, "Eya mpase obaatan na onim ni animba bedi." Nana, your wise counsel and active role has also paved the way for the second phase of Kumasi Central Market to go on. Indeed, Nana is a great example to Queen Mothers and women everywhere that we are the glue or mortar that holds it all together. Congratulations, Nana, and I wish you many more years of an impact-filled reign. The theme of today's celebration is a recognition that our Queen Mothers have a role to play in contemporary times. As many Queen Mothers have shown, their relevance today is unquestionable. Queen Mothers have been involved in educating and providing skills training, even IT training for women and girls in their communities. As modern Queen Mothers, they understand that we must close the gender gap and ensure women attain their full potential to contribute to national development. Among other things, Queen Mothers have also ensured improved health outcomes for their communities by facilitating access to health, water, and sanitation for their people. It is therefore important that we all provide both moral and material support to our Queen Mothers so they continue to positively impact our communities.
Siasi abehwe pa emma ayede won ahihye emiamia bebre wo ye mayimu no akosoro chen bibia chen dedada no enti medie mijina ha se obi a otumi sinebo na odi anije na efutio pa odi ama minti no etumi ede me afa kwan pa bi so a me ye me dwumadie ewo emma impuntio ho a minim se oba pani a oba nyansafo oba oma efutio a wudi so a emma wadwuma ye yie eta amachi a ye frɛ no Asantehemaa Nana Konadu the third. Asantehemaa ene anniversary ya yedi ye nyina ye pagyaw ye nim so se wo maame a oye me nana obroni se my grand aunt Ohima Nana Afiakobi ede bia otumifo a wo se nana niema bi wo ho a yen ema ewo se yetumi ye ebi so wo ho a eni se ye na semitie wo maame ya nana Ohima Afiakobi a okọ wanya ne kra echi kọ na se de na oka de bia oka si manim se asante titrewu no ema ye mprofo bia ye di woni we treasure women enunti no I was to conduct my life in a way I was me bo me bra no wo kwan pa bi so a ebema obia ehu se pagya Asantehemaa anim enam we nti no enese migina ha me nana Ohima Konadu Nana Konadu Yiadom the third oye ohini nua pa obroni say biological older sister of His Majesty otumfuo to the second the Asantehemaa and the third daughter ni bakan of Nana Afiakobi say Wampim the second yenim se ahinie de wunim dipa na obroni say the art of royalty de yenim se wahinie ebetumi aboama enkola empanimfo emema ahemfo ahema yenyina yenya bibi afimu na Asantehemaa wutiri nkwa
eno achi no yewura Asantehemaa otumfuo sei tutu ababio enso edi nsem sei eto edom ne nyina
nipa emma nyina ase onyina amode do abaha na se yede ebejam na Asantehemaa medam ase papa enso titru Asantehemaa fo wa Asantehemaa mu nyina ne nananmo Asantehemaa no abeka ho nyina wo se wo mu nti na na yete ha nei afi efie num no so ye na enata nananmo bi mampo Asantehemaa de kan oni Asantehemaa ne nananmo kumasefo emma panyimfo bi ba me ho se omo pese na Asantehemaa mfie no awadie ye bodwama no me maame no ne mo mema mo kwan omo nhihye pa na na de yete ha nei na se kire ne sa Asante ye referee ho a ezanse ma wo bi ye wo Asantehemaa ha papa sikadwa baba nyina ma Asante aba nu kotosi so an wo sa tu anka sikadwa ama e free sa brand ye hu so oba ho hia wo Asantehemaa ha enu nti ye nhihye ya ye ne se mpa sa sikadwa na sa akonwa bi ato a oba no ne edi tumi ma no se wonne nim adehye wonna wo yesa sa tu wonna wo no ansa na sikadwa beto ne na so Enti ma yɛne de Asantehemaa mu de oba samba yɛse yekobusa abrewa ne hwan woni oba wɔte fie no yekobusa abrewa nyansa ɔde betuefo batan ya wɔ abotre de ma yɛn ɔno na sɛ become the wa wɔn nya dokro de ma odie ti ɛma ye bia ma Asantehemaa nso de sɛ ne brofo sɛ ma aba sɛ ladies first ye hunu ne dada ansa na ladies first beba na brofo sɛ mu enti bua ye di bu ma nyina afiri ya ma menom entity e pa ye de ma ye eno nti me ma menom be ka so mpeso mu ebodwan me ma ye kwan se yenye enanso wo mu wie ye wo mu hihye dwabo a wo mabo ya chen ye ne mema na de mema no ye ya na afuntum ema nso ye kwan dam kama ta ma hunu nso ne se ema no ye ma ye kwan a wo betimi aye ne ma pidi aboa yen ahimfu no pi kata ma no so bibi na be fra konwa no ho a na edi agya yen anso ya won hyehyɛ wo ho sɛ bibi firi mu ade wo sɛ ko oba panyin ho ezese na de o ma ye nti niama no nyina be sesa na na bia wonim so wo ba panyin na wo ye wo hima bia wo ho bia e wo so ɔte ase ɛsɛ so ɔde asɛm ba won kan ye kura wudi fo ansa kura na mati asɛm no achia me wo se de enti a me kam me bomba abaso yi enre ya na ajma prempe broni ba ha obefa no ko ye eche nu oba broni be fa no ko eche ne broni be ka se ma fa no ko de amomfa sikadwa ma mentan so na nanan mu nyina ati ho dwabrem no no abroche himansi anamu begina wo manim ye mema semsei be na ye chance ye de ne ko enti nana ba mani ha nana ba ni ha ba ne kumase fo mpanyimfo te ha nyinara ya ye moso se de ensu aguye so wana sorry nkasa de be hu asa ya Asantewa wa sorry se na mo mema na mo tia de na mbedane mama ye ne mema na dane ye ne ma na dane mema eti ye nka che kwasipro ni se wafa na adwuma wode ne ho abo ayidia sikadwa de ye ne Asantehemaa kra de wunya ne nya ne kire ne ye betwituo ya Asantehemaa twituo wonu afra ne wa offense wan so twituo wo mo koin di gina ma Asantehemaa echi no nyina ye ne Asantefo ya na ekotwa ye kwakire ba bia wo ta abrofo no ebia bi nam dati mu hai efa asa me ho ya nkoma me mai na ebe kwa ma me ene ye hye wo man monyam sanse na na Asantehemaa ni mfie num nie na sabe edra ahemafo nyina ase ye hye ye wure ni monyam chame wo se ampa me ma me ba no wo ye one me nua panyin no de so ye me nua panyin ti nam de akonwa no ma no edru no so me de mo kwa ni mo kakra Konadu Yiadom mienu otosu mienu wu ye so fa kwa mtwitwi o search my premper de sek wona na ti akonwa so me ma me no nua panyin na na mabuna wo fa me so anya ako ko na na ba no ba kuma ba ne o search my premper o search my premper kwa mtwitwi woni amabunu ne yanka panyin friend no se amabunu mempo asam wo mpem asam aso na aduru som de akonwa ama Sara wo free ho na me nua panyin Konadu se Poku areba ye me ma me amaso anya ko efiri mu me ma me adwodwumo oni afie kobi na wo afie kobi na ye panyin to onam de na ade ama no me wu ye me nua ba adwo chan no wo ho na ama Konadu nso no wo ho ansa nso no wo ho bra me nante ko adwo chan ko hwe no bi na ne ho nye hwe no na se che so na ye panyimfo na nye ye no odi so ne ama Konadu and I'm doing that, man. But no name one and I drew no so, and then Yamiadum, if you know what dinner when you're Sana Pioneer in ever says in Yamibatan, Jessica Jabatan, but the Aquamian Nehonia Homite. When you do frupe, one ha me. What the Abutan a time a chair, what the Pabon a time a chair. What the Yansan a time a chair, and I mamma to make us on. Was it anti Metia in Pabona Messama no Yame Sigadana Messa better nature? What time a jam yet me dear was Antima? Yeah, I was here at the Mass Antima Cosubia, a bayam and I was in an anma himana, Major Bossa. Woman, I help you. I'm a resident in Yakama. Say so the American catch him, sir. And yes, 6 February, Bia, Fibia, 6 February, and yet a himada. Ebamu kwa no mo hye bia ye bia yata agia me aye na kama o se na yeda janai manim yeda nipa nyina ase yeda mpanyimfo eba he nyina ase ma nyina yeda mo ase papa papa
ampa asante obi ka asante obi kire krob ya asante kotoko hene nana wonkwaso nana Asantehemaa wonkwaso Poku 1 TV ene ahwefo nyina se twedia mponyankopon enkoso enhiramu.
Poku 1 TV.